In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI with Google Calendar. If you've ever found yourself trying to juggle multiple tasks and appointments, integrating Gemini AI with your calendar can be a game changer. It simplifies accessing, managing, and creating events right from your desktop or mobile device. Let's dive into the process together. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Google Gemini app. This can be accessed through your web browser by visiting gemini.google.com. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account if you haven't done so already. Make sure you have your Google credentials handy as you'll need them later. The next step is connecting your Google Calendar to your Gemini AI. You'll likely see an option or prompt to link your calendar, which is essential since it allows the AI to pull data and events seamlessly. Simply follow the prompts to approve the necessary permissions. This is key because it enables Gemini to interact with your calendar data, which will enhance your task management efficiency. Once your calendar is linked, you're ready to have some fun with commands. You'll type in commands like show events from my Google Calendar in the interface. You'll hit enter, and Gemini will quickly display upcoming events. This feature provides a quick summary of your schedule without you needing to navigate multiple tabs or apps. If for some reason your Google Calendar isn't immediately synced, don't worry. Just ensure that you've pressed connect and that all permissions are granted for Gemini to access your calendar. Once properly connected, you should see all your events populate in the feed. A nifty trick is using this setup to create appointments directly. For example, you can type, create appointment, team meeting, next Monday at 10 a.m., duration 2 hours. Once you hit enter, the appointment gets logged into your calendar. This eliminates the need to manually enter every detail and can save a significant amount of time. To bring your command to life, watch the details carefully as you type your instructions. Spelling and syntax will play a role in how accurately your events are created. Once your entry is complete, just press enter and the task is done. There you have it, an easy and efficient way to manage your schedule using Gemini AI integrated with Google Calendar. By combining these tools, you streamline your workflow and can focus on what truly matters, giving you peace of mind that everything is organized. Whether you're planning individual appointments or coordinating a hectic week, Gemini AI and your Google Calendar have got you covered. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try these steps a few times, and soon enough it'll become second nature, making your scheduling hassle-free. Thanks for watching. Happy scheduling.